Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 30-minute Figma challenge. So I have to design an entire homepage of this travel website in 30 minutes. I'm honestly not sure if I'm going to be able to do it. This is kind of the first time I'm really looking at this material here. So the team at Flux wrote this brief for me, which I will read to you guys. They have come up with all of this copy, sourced images for me, and we also put together just a super simple style guide with one brand color and two fonts so that I can hit the ground running when the clock starts. But if you're interested in doing this along with me, there's going to be a file linked below where you can design right alongside me, and you can either do it in 30 minutes or really take your time. I think this is going to be a really good challenge to see if we can really meet some of these goals and objectives in just 30 minutes. So let's get into it. Before the timer starts, I am going to read through this brief. So the company name is Globe Trek Adventure Travel in the travel and tourism industry. Who's our target market here? So adventurous travelers ages 25 to 45 with a focus on those interested in eco-friendly and extreme sports vacations. This group includes thrill seekers and environmentally conscious individuals looking for unique, sustainable travel experiences. Project overview. Globe Trek Adventure Travel requires a dynamic and visually appealing website that not only captures the essence of adventure, but also facilitates the booking and management of travel experiences. The website should highlight various travel packages from mountain climbing and whitewater rafting to sustainable tours in remote locations. Okay, what are the goals and objectives? Primary goal is to increase bookings by making the site the go-to hub for adventure travel planning. The site should be optimized for search engines with clear calls to action. The website will serve as a cornerstone of Globe Trek's digital marketing strategy, reflecting the brand's adventure spirit and commitment to sustainable tourism. Okay, so the main things I'm getting here are that they need to be able to understand what travel packages are available and book them. Those are like kind of I would say the primary, practical objectives. And then sort of the overall brand objective is that it should appeal to folks who are really interested in adventure sports or adventure travel experiences and environmentally conscious. So I would say those are like kind of my main takeaways from this brief. Now let's get a grip on what sections we need to include. Okay, so we have a hero. We have the featured trips. Okay. So then we have 1, 2, 3 trips to highlight. Search and book form. Oh boy, guys, I'm already getting nervous. Okay, so this search and book form. So you should be able to, I guess, filter by destination, filter by type of activity. Then we'll have a section with a testimonial, and then a section, it's kind of more of a brand section, sustainability commitment, and then a footer. Okay, that's good. The last few, I feel like the featured trips and the search and book form are going to be the hardest sections. Other than that, hopefully it will be kind of easy. Let me find a timer. Okay, so we're starting with the hero section. So I'm going to grab this and bring it over here. I want all of this closer to me. Okay. So for this hero, let's first just make a frame and put an image in it. So what would be a good image for the hero? I'm thinking something like this because it kind of has a pop of that yellow, which is our brand color. So I am just going to paste that in there. Okay. That is pretty good. And then let's see what we need to say. Embark on the adventure of a lifetime. Okay. Grab our main font here. Embark on the adventure of a lifetime. Let's try to make this white so we can see it. This text is a little rough. Embark on the adventure lifetime. Embark on the adventure of a lifetime. Okay, if we have to have it on 3 lines, I feel like it should be that. Okay, we'll see. I don't even know where I want that yet. Oh my gosh. Okay, discover uncharted territories. Okay, so that's kind of like our body copy type situation. So we'll have that in white too. Discover uncharted territories. Okay. Could probably make this bigger. Maybe 80. Is that too big? Maybe that's too big. I feel like the spacing is too big here. Am I getting too picky? I don't know how long this is going to take me. I feel like I need to be kind of quick about the hero because everything else is going to be harder. Okay. Now I feel like he needs to be a little like off center to balance that out. Okay. So that's good. And now I feel like we need to bring our brand color in a little bit. So I'm just going to give this like a highlight. We'll see if that even looks good. Doesn't look amazing. Adventure. Or maybe it's not touching the letters. Maybe it's just like this. Like an underline. Or even what if just this word was yellow? Okay. I think that's cool. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Book now. So explore our tours and book now. So I think we need 2 buttons. So I'm going to make a button frame. Buttons, maybe like 48 pixels tall. So it's like kind of tall. And then whatever wide. We can make this one no fill, but like a white stroke. And then we need to do explore. Wait, what is it? Explore our tours. And then that can be like 18. And then we can make this one book now. If I give this auto layout, then it'll kind of like automatically hug that. Okay, cool. So then we'll make this one. I don't really know which is the more important one. Maybe book now. Maybe we should switch this order and make this one yellow. So fill it yellow, no stroke, and we'll do black text. Okay, not bad. Now I feel like I need to kind of center that in the middle of there. Okay, and there is our hero. So now we probably need like a nav bar of some kind. So I'm trying to think what needs to go on the nav bar. Okay, no time to think, Maddie. Just go. So home. Oops. Book. Tours. Maybe book needs to be like, well, I don't know. Home, tours, about, or like, home, tours, about. That's fine. That's going to have to be fine. So I'm going to distribute those evenly. We'll do 40 pixels in between. We'll get these all the way over here, and then I'm going to duplicate this over here, but this time we'll make it a little bit smaller, like 40 will be good. Yeah, that's fine. I'll make sure these are aligned. We'll give it 40 pixels from the top too. Okay. So that should be good. And then if I had a logo, I would put it right there. If we have time for that, we'll come back at the end and do that. Do I have a logo? I do not have a logo. I could just like quickly, okay. That was 7 minutes and I think I need to move on. Okay, featured trips. So for these featured trips, I think I kind of want this whole page to be kind of dark. I don't know why, but I'm going to go with it. No, that's not what I meant to do. This whole page. Yeah, there we go. So then maybe we have, okay, featured trips. So we have these 3 trips. So basically I need a component, like a 3-up grid. So, okay, I'm going to do frame. And the way I like to do this is by like if I need to have 3 things in a row, I'm going to figure out how much space I want between them. So let's say I want 40 pixels. I'm going to subtract 80 because there's going to be 2 spaces. And then I'm going to divide by 3. And then I kind of round. So 450. So then, oh, but I didn't do like how much, oh, I messed that up. And you also need to do how much space is on the sides. So instead of 80, I need to do 160. So minus 160, then divide by 3. Then we'll do 425. Okay, so then let's make this white so we can see what we're dealing with. This way I can have 3 perfectly spaced thingies with 40 pixels on the sides, which now I'm thinking that's not enough, but okay. I'm gonna make it smaller, so we'll do 400. Okay, and I need to align it with that. What's that, 99? Let's make this 80. 80. Okay, so I'm going to, we need like images for each of these. So should I start with that, or how do I want to do this? Maybe it should be like just an outline, no fill, and then we'll have the image inset. So let's just find an image. If this one's going to be the Andes, I don't know which one of these that is. Let's pretend it's this. Okay. So then can go like this, and then subtract 20, and then we can have like a 10 pixel border here, and then I'm just going to crop this to just keep it easy and do 240. Come on, 240. Okay. So that's that. I'm gonna group that together. I'm not really doing best practices right now, you guys, I'm gonna be honest. Okay, summit. Okay, now we need to do all this copy. So I'm just gonna copy this on over. Oops. Make that white. Make this, so it's already enter. Okay. So this needs to be our, what the heck is our font again? Whatever that is. Antonio. Okay. I need to be moving so much faster. This is not okay. 24. How about that? I don't know about that spacing. That's pretty bad. That is pretty bad, but I think I need to lower my standards for this challenge. Okay. That's really bad. We need to have more space there. Okay. Okay. Duration 4 days. Wow, this is so bad. I don't like it. I don't like it. Okay, let's make this duration. We just need to like have some different things going on. So we'll make this 14 instead. And then we'll like italicize this. Maybe light italic. Okay. Okay, I need to figure out how to make this work. I think I just need to make this whole thing have a bigger border. So let's go with, okay, that's gonna have to do. I don't have time to make it pixel perfect as I'm trying to make it pixel perfect. Okay. There she is. So then we need to do like a learn more button. So this actually needs to be, that's annoying that just did that. Not good. Okay. Then let's do this and we'll make it like a full length button. Learn more. Okay. Now we just need, oh my gosh. Now we just need 2 more of those. So let's just quickly grab that copy from the rest. Kayak and the Amazon rainforest. Oh my gosh, I literally am halfway through this. This is not good. Okay. This is actually not good. Okay, 7 days, beginner to intermediate. 7 days. Okay. And then the picture, so this one's rainforesty, so none of these pictures are that rainforesty, but it's fine. Okay. Oh, it was supposed to be this. I'm dumb. Okay, sorry. I did that wrong, but it's fine. Okay, then Nordic ski adventure, Aurora Borealis. Come on. Okay, Aurora Borealis, that's definitely this. Beautiful. Okay. Yay. And then the duration, 6 nights, intermediate. Okay. Yay. That's that section. Okay. So let's give this a title though. Featured trips. Let's just center it. This isn't revolutionary design, guys. I understand that. So don't come at me, okay? Okay, so then we're halfway done, so we really need to move on. So we do need some sort of like, wow, I can't see what I'm doing. We need some sort of transition, I guess you could say. So like, what if we had this in the background that was like, here maybe, and is that way too much? Oh well, let's just do it. Okay, search and book forms. So I'll be honest, maybe it's just because I'm flustered right now. I can't figure this out. So I'm just going to use common sense here. So like, let's just say this is where we book your trip. Now, okay, this is driving me crazy that it's like off center. I feel like it needs to be a little bit tidier. Okay, that's better. So destination, type of activity. So, okay, let's just make drop downs here. So we're gonna make these a little bigger though. No fill, black stroke. We'll make this our main font or our body font, Enter. And we're going to, I need to turn off auto layout. So this is, we'll give it a label. So destination. So any is what we currently have in here. And then we need a caret situation. I know. If I had more time, I would get a better one. I promise you guys. Okay. So 20, that's fine. That's too much. We'll just do 20. Okay, then I feel like this should be not all caps, and we'll make it bold and like 14. Okay, or I spelled that wrong. Destination. Okay. Okay. This is actually kind of fun, despite the fact that I'm sucking at it. Okay, so destination, type of activity. Any. Departure date. So I kind of feel like this needs to be long. I don't know, actually. I'm kind of like, I don't think I want more than 2 on each like line, I guess. So yeah, that's fine. Actually, it's not fine. It looks really bad. I feel like I need to be looking at how booking sites do this, because okay. Well, I don't know. Because, okay, what I'm trying to figure out is, like, user experience wise, and at this stage, are we like looking for a trip? Or are we, because these aren't like custom trips, right? So I think we're looking for a trip. So this is kind of like the filters. Let's go with that. So then departure date. And then does it tell me the default? Departure date. And then this would be like a calendar icon. So I really should have gotten ready with some icons, but I didn't do that. So we'll just pretend that this is a calendar icon. Okay. Oh gosh, Maddie, you're wasting so much time. I'm wasting so much time. No, I knew I was going to be able to do that. Okay. Guys, this is embarrassing. What I'm doing right now is actually embarrassing. Okay. So that looks like a freaking calculator. I'm embarrassed. I need to move this back up. Group that together. Okay. Literally, that's gonna have to do. So choose a date. And this is like not actually, let's make this italic, because you actually have to choose one like Okay, yeah, you know what I'm saying. Next, I have 8 minutes. This is not okay. Return date, departure date, return date, number of travelers. Okay. Return date. Okay, number of. Did I spell that wrong? It sure did. Number of travelers. Oops. Okay. Number of travelers. Maybe it defaults to 2. How about? Difficulty level and then the search button. Okay. Yes. If I would have read more, I would have understood that way earlier. Difficulty level. Beginner. It'll just default to beginner. How about that? Okay, and then search. Search. I feel like it should be over here once you've like finished your thing. And I also think it should have a fill of black and no stroke. Okay. That's good. What are these? 60? I think this needs to be 60 then. Okay. Great. I could have done so much better with that, but it's done. And we have 6 minutes, so maybe this does need to be. If we make this really long, we could center it. Okay. So now we still need testimonials. Okay. So now I feel like we can go back to black here. So I'm just going to do this. Okay. Now my dog wants to leave the room, but I only have 6 minutes left. Okay. So then, sorry, I'm getting so distracted. Okay, testimonials. So I know that this is the person we need for our testimonial. This is kind of like a featured testimonial. So we'll put her right here. And then we're just going to do, okay, this. Oh, no, that was not good. Okay, here we go. We need to make this white. And we need to make it like 24 pixels. Maybe like 150. That's a pretty lengthy testimonial. Not bad. Okay. This is not my best work. Let's do 20. Okay. And then we have her name. I think we can do her name in Antonio and yellow. 16's good. Okay. I mean, it could be so much better, but it could also be so much worse. You know what I'm saying? So then let's do testimonial. Okay, we have 4 minutes. Sustainability commitment. Okay, we have 4 minutes. Let's make this kind of good. So we want, what do we want? You know what I bet I could do? I bet I could do better on this front. So I'm going to crop that. No. Yes. And then move it to the back. We'll make it yellow again. And then I'm gonna duplicate it. Hopefully this works. No, it sure didn't work. This. That didn't really work, did it? Come on. And then here. And then we need to like unmask it, remove mask, and then remask it. Okay, yay, it's working. And then no. Okay, there we go. Yes, okay, that's all I wanted, guys. That's really all I wanted. So then we can scooch this down a little bit. And okay, 2 minutes. Now we really need to do this. So sustainability commitment. I'm trying to think. I feel like we could use this image as like the backdrop for this section and kind of like fade into it. So, okay, let's do a blending mode. Or not. Let's just give it a 50% opacity. And then I want to give a little bit of like a fade into this. So we'll do from black to black, but 0%. Okay, there we go. That kind of fades, right? That fades better. Yeah, that's nice, I guess. And then we're gonna do this sustainability commitment. So let's bring this title down there, make it white, bring it to the top. Sustainability commitment. If you guys could see my dog right now. Sorry, Coda, I have 1 minute to do this, so. Okay. No. There we go. Let's center that. Maybe make it bold. Oh, that does not look very good. Semi-bold. Centered. I feel like that could be yellow too. Oops, yellow. Okay. Committed to the planet. So we need like a subheading. So we can make that maybe white and like smaller. Maybe like that. I don't think we need that. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, out of time. I think I got most everything. We don't have a footer, but that's okay. You know, it happens. Okay, here we go, guys. I honestly can't believe I did that much. Okay, this timer is going crazy. Let me get rid of it. Okay, let's see if we can like view this. Overflow. Prototype settings. Device. MacBook. Custom size. We're doing 1440 by, I don't know, maybe 800. Oh, I genuinely don't know. Okay, and then scrolling vertical. So let's see what this looks like. All right. Not bad. I feel like this could be a lot worse. This part's kind of boring. Like, I wish I could have done something a little bit better. Also, it could all be better, but I think for 30 minutes, this is honestly pretty good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you designed along with me, let me know in the comments how you did. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know how I did, and I'll see you guys in a future video.